How's it going, guys? This is Tech or Tactical. This is the last piece of the first order from Sportsman's Guide. This is authentic. This is a Serbian mess kit. It's square, which I prefer over most of the rounded ones that are preferred to be carried on like a belt or anything like that. This is square. It packs down really great in sort of any sort of bag you're using. Even if it's something that you just throw in like the back of your car for a winter storm season or anything like that, just so you can have something that would help. And you don't have to really think about it. It requires zero maintenance. Inspector Cat is here. Does it stand approval? No. Well, he doesn't like it, but I still do. It says something right here, which I can't read, Serbian, so good luck with that. It also has something there. It packs down into a small little button pouch. It's got loops on the back of it so that you can put it on a belt loop or any sort of storage system like that. You could probably get Molly pins for it, or excuse me, Alice pins for it. I believe this is actually the same one that Steve, the MRE reviewer, uses. I could be wrong on that, but I think it's the same one. I am enjoying it so far. It seems pretty rough and tumble. It has that smell. If you collect surplus, you know the smell that I'm talking about, and it's a great smell. A lot of us who get into it almost fetishize this smell. It's really just mildew that's been on canvas for a long time, but for some reason, a lot of us just enjoy it. So this is authentic. This is the last piece. The new order's already in, so I'm going to be working on those videos as well. And I'm really enjoying doing this so far. Thanks so much, guys.